Hello everyone, welcome back to JSM Tips. Today I'm going to make a short review on the basics on the Samsung A04s, which was released in September 22. It comes with Android 12 upgradable to 13. Pretty decent size, 6.5 inches display, 90 Hz. Plastic back, it comes in black and white, green or copper. It has a nice finish anyway. 50 megapixel rear camera, a 5 megapixel selfie camera, 3.5 millimeter jack, and Type-C charger. One loudspeaker, which isn't the great in my opinion, but considering price of the phone, I would say is okay. Greatest thing in this phone is the 5000 milliamp battery, which overall there is value for money with this phone. So yeah, definitely I would recommend it for the price of £140, I believe, in the UK. So it's in euros, if you're saying under 200 euros or $200 if you wish. Decent for a budget phone, so yeah, I would recommend it. Thanks for watching. I see you next time.